Hi, welcome to this course on 5S. My name is Michel Doppert, and I'll be your tutor for this course. In this course, we will be discussing the 5S workplace management method, which is often used in Lean and Lean Six Sigma methodologies as the first step towards continuous improvement. 5S is a step-by-step method for eliminating the waste that is being caused by the way you organize a workplace and you manage it. After a successful 5S implementation, your workplace will be waste-free, clean, safe, and efficient, and will remain so due to a new mindset of continuous improvement. So why should you implement 5S? The most obvious answer would be to create a clean and tidy workplace, where everything is neatly organized. The image that springs to mind when people think of the results of 5S is that of a pristine and minimalistic office. However, all of this is just a side effect of 5S. The main reason for implementing 5S is to improve the quality of your work and increase workplace productivity. You do this by removing all variation and waste that is being caused by the way your workplace is organized and preventing mistakes and defects. The fact that in the process of doing this, your workplace becomes a neatly organized and pleasant environment is actually just an added bonus. This course is divided into 7 lessons and an exam. The goal of this course is that at the end of this course, you should be able to successfully participate in a 5S implementation. Aside from the video lectures, every lesson also consists of text, accompanying visuals, and a quiz, all of which are intended to improve the transfer of knowledge and reinforce the learning objectives that are listed at the start and the end of each lesson. So join me in this course and let's get started with 5S.